Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you this cute little tea bag holder that I made using our 3x3 envelopes and the cup of tea bundle of products that you can find in the 2022 annual catalog. I think you're really going to enjoy using this suite of products. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. Okay, I'm going to start with the stamping, and so I'm going to start with my little teacup here using the Starry Sky. And I'm going to stamp that on the basic white cardstock, 1, 2, 3. Since this has nice bold lines on it, you want to give the ink a little bit of time to settle into the fibers. Next, I'm going to take the little tea bag here, and I'm going to stamp that. And then I'm going to do my sentiments. I'm going to start with the Time for Tea, and I'm going to ink that up and place that right inside the tea bag. And then I'm going to bring in my 3x3 envelope, and I'm going to tuck the flap inside. Once I have that, I'm going to stamp here on the top edge, and I'm going to use the word enjoy as a little surprise behind my tea bag. There we go. I've got my stamping done, and I'm ready to cut out my teacup and tag with the coordinating dies. Okay, I've got my pieces cut out now that I'm going to be using, and I'm going to take my piece of designer series paper and attach it to my little envelope. I'm going to set this right at the bottom with an even margin going all around. There we go. And I want this little, top flap to show. Once I've got that done, I'm going to bring in this beautiful metallic starry night ribbon. I'm going to take this and wrap it around my envelope and tie a bow. As you can see, it doesn't matter where I place the ribbon. I just want to wrap that around and get that ribbon and bow the way I want it. And I've got it there now, so I'm going to trim the ends. And then I can slide this simply by bowing the envelope and sliding it over. Once I've got that in place, I can bring in my cup and my tag. And I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of this to pop it up. And I'm going to put one on the top of the tag there so that it is free hanging other than from the top. I'm going to remove the backings and then set my little teacup on and take my little tag and tuck it in underneath that bow. There we go. Last but not least, my tea bag. I picked this particular tea bag because it matches the crushed curry flowers on my designer series paper, and I'm going to slip that into the envelope, and there we go, a beautiful little tea bag holder. I think you're really going to enjoy this project using the cup of tea stamp set. And of course, if you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.